In chapter 1, we discovered that you don't trade the market, you trade your self-image. In chapter 2, we go one step deeper. We explore how your brain actually delivers the results, not by logic, not by knowledge, but something much more powerful, by the automatic programming of your nervous system. Let me show you how the mechanism works and why it's been shaping your trades without you realizing. Imagine a guided missile. It doesn't fly straight to the target. It moves, it misses, it adjusts, it misses again. But because it constantly corrects, it eventually hits. That's how your brain works. Your nervous system is what Dr. Maxwell Mall calls a servo mechanism, a goal-seeking machine. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs a target to lock onto. And after that, it uses every experience, every mistake, every micro correction to get there. So if you're expecting perfection in trading, you are actually working against how your system was built. Here's the catch. The missile only hits the target it was given. Your subconscious does not decide whether the target is harmful or helpful. It just locks onto it. So if your mind is constantly focused on missing out, getting stopped out, hesitating, losing your edge, then that's the target your system will move toward. You are not losing because of poor analysis. You are losing because of unintended focus. Let me make it real. A trader wakes up, checks the chart, their zone hits, price reacts. They hesitate, they miss it, they feel regret, frustration, shame. Next day, same setup. What happens? Their nervous system remembers the hesitation and follows the same loop. Not because the market is hard, but because your subconscious says, oh, this is familiar, we hesitate here. Your mind doesn't serve truth, it serves repetition. That is where it gets scary. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between something that actually happened and something that you emotionally imagined over and over again. If you keep imagining losing, if you keep replaying fear, doubt, or blowing a challenge account, your brain accepts it as a real experience. That becomes your new baseline. And every trade you take is filtered through that identity. Most people say, I don't know how to visualize. But you've been doing it all along. Every time you imagine loss, replay bad trades, dwell on fear, you are visualizing, you are rehearsing, you are programming your servo mechanism with emotional imagery. Not because you are careless, but because you are unconscious. What if you flipped it? What if you start feeding your brain a different target? Chapter 2 reveals the biggest truth most traders fail to realize. You don't just trade your strategy, you trade the emotional movie you've been playing in your head. You are already programming your results. Now is the time to do it on purpose. In chapter 3, we'll go even deeper on how to create that winning identity from scratch. This is part of the Psycho-Cybernetics in Trading series. Book link is in the description. Subscribe if you are serious about mastering your inner game. See you in the next masterclass.